For such a man doth come along but once in a blue moon.
Just once in a blue moon.
Okay, once in a blue moon.
So, what? Once every blue moon, Gus?
English Idiom Challenge. What does once in a blue moon mean? Correct answer is a very rare event. Once in a blue moon describes something that happens very rarely, as a blue moon is an infrequent astronomical event. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Probably cost me an arm or a leg somewhere down the line.
That'll cost you an arm and a leg.
Probably cost an arm and a leg, then...
This is an advanced computer system. Costs an arm and a leg.
English Idiom Challenge. What does cost an arm and a leg mean? Correct answer is to be very expensive. Cost an arm and a leg means something is extremely costly. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Autobots bite off more than they can chew.
When you bite off more than you can chew, you...
Maybe we're biting off more than we can chew.
Not one who bites off more than he can chew.
It's like I'm not trying to bite off more than I can chew.
English Idiom Challenge. What does bite off more than you can chew mean? Correct answer is to take on a task that is too big. Bite off more than you can chew means to commit to more responsibilities than one can handle. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Kick the bucket.
It's already kicked the bucket.
Kick the bucket. By the farm.
Rita kicked the bucket this week.
Yes! Mommy kicking the bucket at long last.
English Idiom Challenge. What does kick the bucket mean? Correct answer is to die. Kick the bucket is a humorous way of saying someone has died. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Well, there's no use beating around the bush.
Stop beating around the bush.
Not beat around the bush, my...
Don't beat around the bush, Leonard.
Around the bush.
That's exactly right. I'm beating around the bush.
Come on! No more beating around bush!
Look, I'm not gonna beat around the bush.
Mr. Clampett, let's not beat around the bush.
All right, let's not beat around the bush.
Okay, no sense beating around the bush. Rajiv, congratulations.
English Idiom Challenge. What does beat around the bush mean? Correct answer is to avoid talking about the main topic. Beat around the bush means avoiding the main point in conversation. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Tell you something else. You're barking up the wrong tree.
You're barking up the wrong tree.
You're willfully barking up the wrong tree.
Oh, he barked up the wrong tree.
Barking up the wrong tree, McGruff.
Not barking up the wrong tree, chemically speaking.
Sorry, Mayor, but you're barking up the wrong tree.
Well, the police are obviously barking up the wrong tree.
English Idiom Challenge. What does bark up the wrong tree mean? Correct answer is to be mistaken about how to achieve something. Bark up the wrong tree means pursuing a mistaken or misguided course of action. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Under my own nose.
Right under your nose.
Right under my nose.
Right under your nose.
Right under your nose.
Right under my nose.
Right under your nose.
English Idiom Challenge. What does under one's nose mean? Correct answer is to be very obvious or nearby. Under one's nose means something is right in front of you or very obvious. Like and subscribe for more idioms.